Lena enjoys building tiny flower cottages from colorful blocks, while Lisa enjoys imagining cheerful fairy families moving in. Lisa loves pretending every butterfly is searching for its favorite flower, while Lena loves planting beautiful gardens for them. Lena enjoys creating little village parks with winding paths, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical games being played there every afternoon. Lisa loves imagining baby dolphins racing through sparkling waves, while Lena loves drawing the ocean they call home. Lena enjoys making tiny birdhouses from twigs, while Lisa enjoys imagining singing birds, filling them with happy songs. Lisa loves pretending every flower blooms after hearing a kind word, while Lena loves growing gardens full of kindness. Lena enjoys decorating miniature bridges with colorful flowers, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy friends crossing together. Lisa loves imagining magical squirrels collecting shiny acorns for a grand forest festival, while Lena loves sketching the celebration. Lena enjoys creating tiny campgrounds beside toy rivers, while Lisa enjoys imagining stories shared around the campfire. Lisa loves pretending every cloud is shaped by friendly giants, while Lena loves drawing their fluffy creations. Which one is your favorite, Lena or Lisa? Tell us in the comments. Lena enjoys building tiny flower markets in village squares, while Lisa enjoys imagining everyone finding the perfect bouquet. Lisa loves imagining colorful fish playing games beneath coral reefs, while Lena loves illustrating their underwater playground. Lena enjoys creating little woodland libraries filled with tiny books, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical adventures inside every story. Lisa loves pretending every rainbow has a hidden picnic waiting at the end, while Lena loves drawing the colorful destination. Lena enjoys making miniature tree benches beside blooming gardens, while Lisa enjoys imagining friends chatting there for hours. Lisa loves imagining playful baby dragons learning to breathe tiny puffs of glitter, while Lena loves sketching their flying lessons. Lena enjoys creating tiny flower archways for village celebrations, while Lisa enjoys imagining cheerful parades walking beneath them. Lisa loves pretending every seashell belongs to a friendly mermaid, while Lena loves drawing the underwater kingdom. Lena enjoys building little fairy ponds surrounded by flowers, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical fish swimming happily inside. Lisa loves imagining crystal birds filling the morning with beautiful songs, while Lena loves painting bright spring skies. Are you Team Lena or Team Lisa? Share your answer below. Lena enjoys creating miniature berry gardens beside cozy cottages, while Lisa enjoys imagining sweet summer harvests. Lisa loves pretending every leaf becomes a tiny boat after it falls, while Lena loves watching them float down gentle streams. Lena enjoys decorating tiny village fountains with colorful flowers, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical wishes coming true there. Lisa loves imagining friendly whales giving ocean tours to little sea creatures, while Lena loves sketching peaceful blue waters. Lena enjoys making tiny woodland cafes beneath giant trees, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy friends enjoying warm treats together. Lisa loves pretending every dragonfly delivers happy news, while Lena loves illustrating its magical journey. Lena enjoys creating little flower balconies filled with blooming vines, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical sunsets from above. Lisa loves imagining enchanted rabbits organizing spring festivals, while Lena loves drawing every joyful decoration. Lena enjoys building tiny toy castles with flower gardens all around, while Lisa enjoys imagining kind queens welcoming every visitor. Lisa loves pretending every moonbeam is a silver slide for fairies, while Lena loves painting glowing nighttime scenes. Who would you choose, Lena or Lisa? Let us know in the comments. Lena enjoys creating miniature flower playgrounds filled with tiny swings, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy children laughing together. Lisa loves imagining colorful parrots sharing tropical stories, while Lena loves drawing sunny island landscapes. Lena enjoys making tiny blossom workshops where magical crafts are created, while Lisa enjoys imagining creative fairy artists smiling. Lisa loves pretending every pebble hides a tiny surprise, while Lena loves arranging colorful treasure paths. Lena enjoys decorating little flower fences around toy homes, while Lisa enjoys imagining friendly neighbors stopping by. Lisa loves imagining magical deer wandering through fields of lavender, while Lena loves sketching peaceful countryside views. Lena enjoys creating tiny garden mazes with blooming flowers, while Lisa enjoys imagining exciting adventures around every corner. Lisa loves pretending every flower dances when the wind starts blowing, while Lena loves illustrating cheerful spring gardens. Lena enjoys making little village bridges from smooth stones, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical travelers crossing them every day. Lisa loves imagining crystal butterflies filling the air with sparkling colors, while Lena loves drawing dazzling flower fields. Cast your vote for Lena or Lisa in the comments. Lena enjoys creating tiny rose gardens around peaceful ponds, while Lisa enjoys imagining friendly ducks visiting every morning. Lisa loves pretending every rainbow paint smiles across the sky, while Lena loves drawing every colorful detail. Lena enjoys making miniature woodland museums filled with nature treasures, while Lisa enjoys imagining curious fairy visitors exploring. Lisa loves imagining baby unicorns chasing butterflies through open meadows, while Lena loves sketching blooming landscapes. Lena enjoys creating tiny picnic tables beneath flowering trees, while Lisa enjoys imagining joyful family gatherings. Lisa loves pretending every lantern glows brighter during magical celebrations, while Lena loves painting cozy evening scenes. Lena enjoys decorating little flower paths leading to hidden cottages, while Lisa enjoys imagining wonderful surprises waiting inside. Lisa loves imagining playful otters floating through sparkling rivers, while Lena loves drawing peaceful waterside adventures. Lena enjoys creating tiny sunflower villages with colorful gardens, while Lisa enjoys imagining happy magical neighbors. Lisa loves pretending every blossom is waving hello, while Lena loves illustrating cheerful spring mornings. Choose your favorite